Hi, how are you? Today we are going to draw a candle from number 1. Let's start the drawing. Let's extend another line here. Now we do little detailing on the top, but before that we need to do a little more detailing about the candle. Okay, now we connect it like this. So little detailing on the side and on the ground too. Okay, the candle is giving light, you know. We put some lines like this if we want to show that the candle is giving us light, like this. All right, now we can do the little detailing at the bottom to show that the candle is on the ground or over something else. Here we can put shade to the details. Also makes the candle visible by doing little shades here. All right, so this is almost the done. This is how we can turn number 1 into a candle. If you like, you can do more detailing about this one. So it's going to show that the candle is giving us light. I hope this is it. So you need to do the practice, practice and practice. The more you do the practice, the more the drawing will be good. So I hope you guys like the video. So if you like, please like, share and subscribe the channel Blue Hand Drawing. Please tell your friends and family about it. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching the video. Have a good day.